Aprilia has unveiled an ultra-exclusive version of its renowned superbike, the RSV4 Ex3ma. Priced at €80,000, this limited edition model will see just 30 units produced, each uniquely numbered. The RSV4 Ex3ma is the latest addition to Aprilia's Factory Works program, joining previous models like the RSV4 X, Tuono X, and the RSV4 X30 from 2022. These X models represent the pinnacle of Aprilia's engineering and performance, pushing the boundaries of what's available to the public, just behind the scenes of their MotoGP efforts. What sets the Ex3ma apart is its innovative ground effect aerodynamics, a feature borrowed from the Aprilia RSGP bike. While many superbikes have begun to embrace aerodynamic enhancements, the RSV4 Ex3ma takes it to an unprecedented level. The fairing features a striking double winglet design, complemented by additional aero elements throughout. Notably, the swing arm incorporates a scoop-shaped underwing, and cornering wings are positioned below the front brake calipers. Aprilia claims these winglets enhance vertical pressure on straightaways fivefold, boosting stability and reducing wheelies. When cornering, the design reportedly triples downforce for improved grip. The bike's side panels are molded with a bulge in front of the foot pegs, which utilizes air pressure during turns to further increase traction. The Ex3ma is available in a unique Perla Nera livery, inspired by iconic Aprilia race bikes. Under the sleek fairing lies a powerful 1099cc 65 degrees V4 engine, now with a higher compression ratio, a highly permeable sprint filter air filter, and an SC Project exhaust system featuring titanium headers and dual silencers reminiscent of the RS250's design. This engine delivers a peak output of 230 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 97 pound-feet of torque at 11,000 RPM. The advanced electronics package utilizes Aprilia's APX Racing ECU, the latest iteration of the system used in its World Superbike program. With GPS integration, the APX system fine-tunes power delivery, wheelie control, traction control, and engine braking for each gear. Riders can adjust these settings on the fly or during initial setup with an included laptop. The Ex3ma maintains the same twin-spar aluminum frame as the standard RSV4 and features Öhlins suspension components, including an FKR pressurized cartridge fork and a TTX piggyback shock, both fully adjustable. An adjustable Öhlins steering damper enhances handling. For braking, the Ex3ma is equipped with Brembo GP4 MS monobloc calipers, dual DP 330T drive front rotors, a nickel-plated rear caliper, a PR19X16 master cylinder, and Z04 pads. The lightweight carbon fiber wheels are fitted with Pirelli slicks, using SC1 front and SCX rear tires for optimal performance. Reservations for the bike can be made online or at authorized Aprilia dealerships. The Ex3ma represents the pinnacle of superbike engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with exclusive design to celebrate a significant milestone in Aprilia's racing history.